They are the revolutionary apps that can help you monitor and optimize your Wi-Fi to improve its performance and speed. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, your tech genie granting your every wish at CyberGuy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter for instant access to the tech tips of your dreams. Before you invest in a Wi-Fi extender or mesh network, give these apps a try. They'll help you monitor your network performance and provide suggestions for improvement. First up, Wi-Fi Analyzer for iOS and Android. Get the lowdown on your network speed, identify dead zones, and catch Wi-Fi thieves red-handed. And this one is Open Signal Internet Speed Test for iPhone and Android. Measure your 4G or 5G speed, test video streaming quality, and discover stronger networks when you're on the go. For tips on stopping Wi-Fi thieves, visit cyberguy.com and search Stealing Wi-Fi. Don't forget to sign up for my free newsletter while you're there.